Okay, this sign coming up, this buoy coming up says slow no wake. So we'll see how busy this boat landing is. So doesn't look very busy at all. The fisherman I talked to this morning said they were had a good morning, so I hope it's still a good morning for them. Stay out of the way of the fishermen, or they write boat numbers down and report you. So oh, not too many people here at Burton Mill. I don't know. This one might still be closed for maintenance. We'll see. But I had asked their water. What are they called? Their water patrol, park rangers. They're Army Corps of Engineers park rangers. I asked them a couple of years ago if that slow no wake was just for during the boat landing area here, or if it was the continuous river. The reply I had gotten was it's just for the boat landing area, but there is no other buoy. I've gone down it quite a bit. But anyhow, I'm going to end this video with my usual shame on you, Matthew Koski.